Hi guys and girls, today we're taking a look at solving one-step equations. And here you've got a whole bunch of one-step equations. Okay, and the reason we call them one-step equations is one thing happens. Okay, so here you've got m plus 2 equals 6, and the thing that happens, that one step, is that 2's added. Okay? That's the step. 2 is added. So to get rid of that step, you've got to do the opposite. Take 2. Okay, when you see plus 2 up here, you go, oh, I've got to do the opposite to undo it, to reverse it. So when I see the 6, I can just take away 2, and I end up with 4. And that should work. Okay, if m, and I'll draw a little arrow, if m is the same thing as 4, then this m here is the same thing as 4. 4 plus 2 equals 6, which makes sense. Okay, that's how you do a one-step equation. Okay, I'll show you the next one just to get you into the groove. Okay, here the step is take 5. Take 5 is my one step in the one-step equation. Okay, so I've got e, some number, take away 5, that step gives me 1. Okay, to undo the take 5, all I've got to do is add 5, and that'll undo my take away. So 5 plus 1 gives me 6. So I can say that e is 6. And just to test it, I'll put it back in the equation. So if e was 6, this e is 6. 6 take away 5 gives me 1. So that's right. Okay. Just another hint, because it's been a little bit of a while since we did these. When you see 3z, that means 3 lots of z. Or 3 times z. Okay, so 3 times what gives me 30? We'll give you a little bit of a hint. The answer is 10. Because 3 times 10 makes 30. The way to do that is just to use your divide. 30 divided by 3 will give me what we had in the first place. Okay, and just to finish off the row, this last one has s divided by 2 gives me 4. Okay, my one step is divided by 2. So all I've got to do to undo that step is times by 2. 4 times 2. Gives me 8. So s has to be 8. And just to check it, 8 divided by 2 gives me 4. So I got that one right as well. Okay, hopefully that was helpful. The numbers will get a lot more confusing. They'll get bigger, there might be decimals, there might be fractions. There's all sorts of ways to make this a little bit harder, but that process is the same. Work out what that step was and just do the opposite. Hopefully you have great luck with it. Bye guys and girls.